Hello guys, playing Plant vs Zombies 2. It's about time. Yeah, let's watch this. Let's play this. This a walkthrough. It's available from iPad or iPhone, iOS. I'm still in this level. Just start yesterday. They're just like the same as the one. See? The same traction. Just upgraded something, make it look HDR. Yeah, maybe. Yeah, just only the same. It's available now for free on iOS. See, still the same. Just get the sounds until you get something like this. Oh, I didn't even know that there's a zombie over there. Yeah. That's all. Just only like that. I'd like to take this some 2 minutes or what. So bye bye.